Hey folks, I'm Dennis. A lot of people complain about Husqvarna's, Craftsman's, several other tractors, lawn tractors that are made the same way with the Briggs engines about being really hard to start. I finally figured out how to fix that. It's a real simple fix. So let me show you how to do it. Now my mower is several years old, so it's dirty, it's scratched up, whatever, but the process is still the same. So it's easy. You can do it without taking the hood off, but it's easier if you take the hood off. If you got headlights, the wiring plug harness is right here. You want to unplug that like so. Then all you got to do is grab the hood, tilt it back just a touch, lift it out, comes right off. All right, so the way these things are set up is you've got the throttle cable that comes around from the left side of the tractor, the mower. It's in a bracket here. It hooks to this plate which controls the throttle, and there's a cam on the back of that that controls the choke. From the factory, what they tend to do is set these things a little too far in so that you don't get full choke when you push your throttle lever all the way up. So I'm going to show you how to adjust this to make it work. So this is your throttle, this is your choke. The choke, when it's cold and it's fully choked, should be all the way up. Well, the way they set these things from the factory, you bring it up to full throttle and then the next lever is choke. There's still choke left. So the choke plates in the carburetor are not closed all the way. So what we want to do is we want to adjust this cable so that it's pulled further back, which will completely engage the choke. Take your lever and push it all the way up to choke. Take your wrench or your Torx driver, loosen that up, and then pull that cable. Usually takes about a 1/4 inch or so. Pull that cable back and then tighten that keeper up. So that's low throttle, that's full throttle, and then that's choke. Now there's no play left in there. This is what we typically get before making this adjustment. Got it fully choked. That's what we usually get. All right, so now with it properly adjusted, put it up on full choke. Cranks right up. Now to put the hood back on, make sure your headlight plug is out of the way. You've got these 2 pins that go in these 2 slots right up here in the front of the engine. So basically you just line them up. These slots go on the rod that's right here. So lean it back about halfway, get those ears in the slots, and then close it, and the other slots will drop onto the rod. Then you can open it back up and plug up your light harness, and you're done. Thanks for watching my video, folks. I hope that helps you out. Give me a thumbs up if you would, and subscribe to my channel below. Hope to see you back soon. Take care, and may God bless you.